Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we take a look at the top 3 best and most powerful and beautiful themes for your phone, for your Samsung Galaxy S22. So after watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments which theme you like the most. So first we need to open the Galaxy Themes store. To do this, tap and hold on a free area on your home screen, tap and hold, and choose Themes. Cool. And now on the third place in our top is EID Legends Gold theme. To find it, tap on the third button and find here EID Legends Gold. Finally, tap on it, choose download. After downloading, choose apply, wait a while. And cool! As you can see, this gold, really gold theme for a strong and serious people. In addition to putting a gold wallpaper in your home screen, on your home screen and lock screen, this theme redraws all app icons, but that's not all. It also redraws your phone application, and this theme brings gold colors, gold and dark colors on your system. So settings applications was redrawed too. So that theme was a third place in our top. In second place is a mobile theme called What is Sky UX. To install it, open Themes Store and find here What is Sky UX. Find it and download. Tap apply. So cool. As you can see, this beautiful water style theme with really minimalistic icons and smooth colors. This theme redraws all icons in its own special water style, and it looks really great. The colors are soft and pleasing, and the icons are clear and simple. All our colors was redrawn, and icons redrawn too. So this was theme on a second place in our top. And in my humble opinion, the best theme for your phone is Purple Starry Night UX. To install this theme, open Theme Store and find here Purple Starry Night UX. Download it. Tap apply. So cool, this theme really looks great. This theme brings new light colors to your system. They looks good without being annoying. This theme has everything, nice wallpapers and nice tones, and even redraws app icons. And of course, this theme takes the first place of our top. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. This was HardReset.Info channel, and see you. Bye.